You said you threw what? You what?
All the videos and all that nice ass shit.
So why you nice as hell right now for?
Who nice?
You.
Man, get the fuck out of here with that pink ass shit you got on. You ready with?
I'm ready, man. You had to switch shoes. Them been riding shoes.
Yeah, these is riding boy.
Yeah,
I've been had these for quite a few
You
years.
keeping them right though.
Yeah, well, you
And they
know,
match your
hey,
pants.
You the ride jump for sure. Why you got no sock on them, white folk?
Who, they socks on? Hey,
I'm
hey
talking
man,
about
you
the
man
sock
your
on the
goddamn
shoe,
business,
fool.
Willie Earl.
Willie motherfucking hair.
Hey, man, big shout out to Carlos, bro. You hear me? I don't give a fuck who like it, but bitch, you better respect it. You heard?
I don't care.
Wicked film, bitch.
I don't
I'm a
care.
dab out, dude. I'll broad day like your bitch ass. That dude,
Fuck you talking about?
and I stamp it. I ain't playing no game with you. And I'm gonna ride you, bitch. Yeah.
You get up here. You be careful, bro. Be careful.
Hey, I'll see you later.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I'll see you later.
For sure that.
On my map. Hey, man, big shout out to Carlos, man. AKA locked in the record label. Fuck Alan Wood doing all you bitches. World belong to us. Living till a geek. I'll get you one for the low.
Hey, white folk.
What?
Stop doing all that motherfucking crime, bro.
I ain't crying. Joe weak ass. Hey, I know you some of bitch. Hey, bro.
Be careful, bro.
I got you.
I know you do, but
I'm on my way.
Call me when you pause, so I can pull up.
I know you called.
You too, bro.
Hey man, hold up. What is been going on there?
Rolling.
Huh?
Rolling.
Rolling. What is bitch don't know what you did. I know you will.
be careful, bro.
I stab it on you.
You might have not no round. You might have been riding that
I'm a
motherfucker
round.
slow as hell, we.
Hey man. Hey, them rolling 20 behind this shit. I ain't worried about a bitch ass thing. Yeah, cuz.
I ain't gonna lie, fool.
Pumping fuel is a total breeze. Hit the power button